have something in my hand. I don't know if you can guess what it is. So let me describe it. It has pegs. It has a stenched odor. And yes, it takes your breath away. Can you guess what it is? It's white. Yes. Stay tuned as we will talk more on garlic and its benefits. Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. Yes, it's Monday. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, so I see you have been enjoying aloe vera. Yes, I did enjoy it, and yes, a quick side note, it took 24 hours to go through my body. Yes, but it was worth it. So yes, this week we are going to be focusing on a new topic or a new herb. But before we go into that, I'd like to definitely thank you for sharing, for liking, for subscribing. Welcome to all of you new subscribers. And yes, definitely have been having a wonderful time communicating, interacting with you in the community section, in the comment section. Definitely share your testimonials. If you have a testimonial on any of the herbs that we are talking about each day, each week, definitely share with us. So yes, happy holidays to all our viewers there in America and Canada. I know it's Columbus Day there in America, and also it is Thanksgiving Day there in Canada. Happy Thanksgiving Day to all of you. So yes, today we are going to be talking about garlic and how it relates to cancer prevention, and also cancer reduction. So yes, continue watching as we will talk more about the benefits of using garlic and cancer treatment. Garlic is a wonderful herb. Yes, it takes your breath away. It has a very high odor when you eat it. Yes. However, it is one of the oldest herbs in the Bible, oldest herbs in our lifetime. One of the oldest herbs. And yes, garlic, it dates back all the way to the Egyptians, to the Greeks, to the Babylonians. It dates back all the way, like I said, in Bible times. And yes, if you have not seen the video that I talked about garlic previously in Transplanting 101, definitely check that out. We will give you a glimpse of how it is grown. So this is garlic. This is how it's grown. These are the leaves. And yes, the garlic will be coming out of the ground as it is. It grows, it's a root, but it grows above the ground. So yes, it will be pushing out soon from down here. The garlic is also beneficial to the Romans, or in Roman times, in that yes, they used to use it. Thank you so much to my well-educated and knowledgeable husband. Yes, the Romans used it in their trading system, similar to also with salt. Yes, they used it as a barter system to trade. So yes, like many of you know, in the agrarian society, yes, they would trade foods. And so garlic is one of those foods that was traded as a currency. Yes, so instead of using money, they used garlic. All right, so yes, that's the barter system. All right, so garlic is it's very good for many things. Today we are going to be talking about the benefits of it as it relates to cancer treatment. And so as we talk about breast cancer awareness this month, I want us to remember that yes, we are focusing on foods that are great for cancer prevention. And also, if you contract or happens to develop cancer, the foods that you can use to build your body and to help your immune system to fight off cancer cells. And yes, so garlic is one of those, and I'll be breaking it open in a few seconds. But yes, garlic is one of those powerful herbs you want to cook with, you want to use in your meals. And I say cook because many times as Jamaicans especially, we cook it, we fry it, we burn it up, and that's not the best way to use garlic. The best way to use garlic, according to the Rileys in my backyard book, which I learned this from in my backyard book, is that it is the best way to use garlic is to cut it up, chop it up, crush it, however you want to do. Leave it out for about 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it laying. That way it will actually develop more potency in usage. And you also want to add it to your food. Do not cook it. I am telling myself that too because I love to cook with garlic, but you should add it to your meal. The best way also, another great way to use it is to eat it raw. Yes, I know we don't like it raw. I can hear my husband saying that he does not want it raw. But yes, the best way is to eat it raw. That way your body use up the enzymes better. When you cook stuff, especially herbs and plants or vegetables, you actually destroy some of the nutrients, and garlic is one of those herbs you don't want to destroy the nutrients of. All right, so we talked about last week, we talked about aloe vera. Garlic is also one of those foods that build your immune system, and it helps your body fight off cancer cells. And yes, it does help your body fight off the herpes simplex virus. I know we did have some good discussion on aloe vera last week, and I learned quite a lot. I know we did talk about it with helping with HIV, and so garlic also helps the body to fight off viruses. Yes, it's one of those. So I'm going to give you, yes, the parts to use is the cloves. This is 2 cloves of garlic. All right, so yes, that's the part we use. And like we showed you the plant. You can use the leaves of the plant also to cook with. Yes, you can use the leaves of the plant to cook with. Some of the properties of garlic that we'll mention today is that garlic is an anticoagulant. Yes, it's a natural blood thinner. And yes, as we talk about the blood and the immune system, garlic is definitely one that you want to eat every day. Yes, you want to eat that every day, but not too much, because yes, it can drop your blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, you can use it to lower your blood pressure. But remember, in everything that's good, we need to be moderate. So yes, even with garlic, we have to be moderate, because if you have low blood pressure, you definitely don't want to be using garlic as much. All right, so garlic is also an expectorant. Yeah, so it's great for colds and flus, warding that off, which also goes back to the immune system and talking about fighting cancer. All right, so garlic is also a stimulant. Yes, it's a stimulant, and it's also an antimicrobial. So what does that mean? That means that it does help to fight off viruses. As we talk about garlic and breast cancer awareness, if you saw the previous video I did last year on breast cancer awareness and garlic, yes, garlic looks like the breast. Yes, it does. You turn it sideways, it looks like the breast. If you turn it front ways, it looks like the breast. Of course, you wouldn't see our breast front ways like that unless you're looking through a microscope, or if you're doing an x-ray, you would, or a mammogram from the film. And yes, ladies, if you're 40 and over, you definitely need to get your mammogram. Can you see the cloves of garlic, how it's set up? Look at it. This is like the mammary gland that's inside there. Talk about garlic and cancer prevention. I must add this: fresh garlic can help you reduce the urge to smoke if you're a smoker. And so yes, adding garlic to your diet is one that can help you to prevent lung cancer, and yes, which is also linked to breast cancer. So yes, we got to be aware of that and ward off development of any cancer cells. As we wrap up today, yes, one of the things I want to leave us with is that yes, we can use garlic internally in the body, and we can use it outside. So we can use it internally and externally. Yes, we can also use garlic to make garlic oil, and we will talk more about that in another video later this week on the uses. So we'll talk more on that. I want to just leave us with this, that just like garlic is potent, yes, if you eat it, you will smell it. People will smell it on you. People will smell it on your breath. Yes, if you burp, it will come up back. Just like garlic, you should let your light so shine. Yes, let your light shine like garlic. As Matthew says in Matthew 5 verse 16, let your light shine, that all men will see your good works and glorify your Father, which is in heaven. I pray you'll have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And yes, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link below or the button for new videos and more on your Monday Medz.